Hi everyone, this is Anusha Sirumuri. In our previous video, we already discussed about number of microstates if electron configuration is given. Right now, if term is given 2s plus 1l, already we discussed 2s plus 1 lj is a term symbol. So term 2s plus 1l. So for that, number of microstates is equal to number of microstates is equal to 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. Here 2s plus, for example, here if we take 3f term, so what is the 3 value here? 2s plus 1. Here 2s plus 1 value is 3. Here f term is given. So for f term we know that L value is 3. For f term we are having L value is 3. So based on this, number of microstates is equal to number of microstates is equal to 2s plus 1, that is 3 into L value is 3. 2 into 3 plus 1. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 7 3s are 21. Number of microstates for 3f term is 21. So if term is given, we can calculate the number of microstates based on the formula 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. 2s plus 1 spin multiplicity is directly given. Based on the term, here we can get the L value. So by substituting the L value in 2s plus 1 values, here we can get the number of microstates. One more example, 2D. If we take one more example, 2D term is given. So what is the spin multiplicity? 2s plus 1. So which is similar, 2s plus 1 L, 2D. So 2s plus 1 means 2. Here spin multiplicity is 2. So for D term, what is the L value? L value is 2. L value 2D. Here, therefore, number of microstates for 2D term is equal to 2s plus 1, 2 into 2l plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. So total 10 microstates exist for the 2D term. Instead of term symbol, here term symbol is given. Term symbol is given. What is the formula for number of microstates? Term symbol is given 2s plus 1 Lj. J value is given here. Then number of microstates is equal to 2 into j plus 1. So we can directly write by using this formula 2j plus 1, we can calculate the number of microstates. For example, here 2p 3 by 2, some term symbol is given. So what will be the number of microstates? 2 into j value is 3 by 2 plus 1. Number of microstates 4, like that. So total number of microstates will get 4. So if Mullikan term symbol is given, so we know that T1, G, EG, A1, B1, these are all Mullikan term symbols. We can explain in the organelle diagram later in detail. Here firstly, the microstates, Mullikan term symbol is given. Right? So here A, B, E, T. So these are all like Mullikan term symbols. Here, for example, to for that formula, what is the formula for that? Number of microstates is equal to, formula required for this, number of microstates is equal to spin multiplicity into dimension of Mulliken term symbol. So dimension, how can we came to know here? For AB terms, the dimension will be 1. For E term, in octahedral, tetrahedral, we already observed that. Here, this is doubly degenerate. So 2, dimension of E term is 2. And for T term, triply degenerate. So 3. For T term, the dimensions for these terms, Mulliken term symbols, A and B 1, and for E 2, for T 3. So for example, if any Mulliken term symbol is given, so 2T2G. So this is a Mulliken term symbol is given. So what will be the number of microstates? Number of microstates is equal to, so what is the spin multiplicity? 2 into T term is given. T term is given, so that here dimension is 3. So 2 3s are 6. That's it. Very simple. By knowing the formula, we can easily calculate the number of microstates. If Mulliken term symbol is given, spin multiplicity into its dimension, so that 2 into 3, 6. 6 microstates will get this. So this is about number of microstates calculation if term symbol or else Mulliken symbols are given. So this is about calculation of microstates. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you all.